Hi there! This tutorial will show you how to set up your email gateway using SendGrid to manage your subscribers using the Wemail plugin. First, make sure you have an account registered with SendGrid. Next, go to Settings and click on API Keys. Click on Create API Key and set your API key name as well as the API key permission. Then click on Create and View button. Now copy the API key. Now go to the settings of your Wemail dashboard and under Email Sending, click on SendGrid. Click on Edit Credential and then paste the API key. Then click on Next. To authenticate your domain, you need to log into your SendGrid account and go to Settings and navigate to Sender Authentication. Now you need to add the information about your DNS host. You need to add the domain name that you are using to send emails from. Make sure you only enter the root of the domain. For example, wemail.com or wemail.io. Next, you need to add all of the CNAME records on this screen to your DNS host. This process varies depending on your DNS host. And that is how you can set the gateway for SendGrid. If you want to find out how to set up other gateways, please check out the link in the description box below. That's it for now. Stay tuned.